If you're watching your weight and you don't want to give up the flavor, I think you're going to love this Asian-style recipe I've got for you today on Kitchen Guy. It's shrimp with an orange-flavored rice. So I'm going to make a marinade starting with some low-sodium soy sauce, some peanut oil, a minced clove of garlic, some minced ginger, and just a dash of sesame oil, very powerful. And finally, to add some heat, I'll add some red pepper flakes and maybe just a little black pepper too. Then I'll toss in the shrimp, toss it around, cover it, and keep it in the refrigerator to marinate. Now heat a wok or a nonstick fry pan over very high heat. Then take the shrimp in peanut oil and fry them quickly because they do cook very fast. I removed the shrimp to a bowl and I wiped out the wok with a paper towel. And now I've added just 1 more teaspoon of peanut oil. And I'm putting in some fresh orange rind, some more chopped ginger, some chopped garlic. Stir those around. And I'll add in some sliced green onions. And finally, some freshly chopped spinach. Now toss in 3 cups of cooked rice. Get that going around there. And then toss back in the shrimp. And keep tossing them just until they're warmed through. Now it's a complete meal and very low in fat because it's only got 3 teaspoons of polyunsaturated fat in it. You can get the recipe by writing to me here at the station or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.